Hello, class. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. So, today we'll start our new chapter. We have completed chapter 2. I hope everybody have written their question answers in their copy. Most of you have sent me, but I have not got everyone's answer question in the copy. So, who have not sent it, please write it and send it to me. Clear? And do that assignment carefully. So let's begin our chapter. So our third chapter is fun and fights at play. So fun and fights at play. So you go out for the play, you have fun time also, you enjoy playing also, and you have the fights also when you don't win. Suppose you have a cricket match and you not win, your other team with whom you were playing that wins. There is a fight now. There would be that you have done cheating, no, this is wrong, I'll not accept it. Like these types of fights also occurs in the playtime. So about that, about different types of play only we're going to learn. Let us see again. Types of games and recreation. Now here we'll learn about different types of games and what are the recreation. Recreation means to rewind our mind, to refresh our mind, so that all the stress, all the tension, all the depressions goes out from this. It is a type of relaxation, है ना. Recreation means that the activities which helps you to relax your mind, free your mind, feel happy in your mind. If your mind is happy, then only your all body will be happy and you can do your work smoothly. So about that thing only we are going to learn. Let us see what is there. You enjoy different types of games and sports at homes, in schools, and in your neighborhood. Now here it is told that you enjoy different types of games and sports like Ludo, like some indoor game, Ludo, carom board, chess. These all are indoor games. These also we enjoy because nowadays lockdown is going on. These all games only refresh our mind. Yes, otherwise we'll play games on our mobiles. Yeah, and outdoor games like badminton, football, volleyball, basketball, है ना, and we can play kabaddi. Yes, we can play kho. These are outdoor games. Okay, we have different types of games we enjoy. In school, our PT teacher teaches us different types of games. In neighborhood, we have different types of games with our friend. With whomever we meet, we get introduced to the new games. New games we get to know. In school, in neighborhood, at homes our big brother and sister also teaches us. Okay, let us see more. There are also video games on PSP and pool tables and bungee jumping to enjoy at shopping malls. Okay, PSP in mobile games, pool tables. It is a pool table. One big table is there and that many balls are there and there is one stick. We need one stick to kick the ball. You might have seen in many movies that game. Bungee jumping, we jump from the very high to downwards. Yes, that is bungee jumping. These all we enjoyed at the shopping malls. Clear? Now moving on. Playing provides relaxation and exercise. Okay, I told you relaxation, recreation, relaxation. Playing provides relaxation and exercise. Okay, when we are playing, we use all our body, mentally, physically. We are on that place. So our exercise is also there and we get relaxed also. Our all body stretches also. Our all body works also and we get energized there. While playing, we are more energetic than studying. It is true or not? Tell everyone. Yes, it is very true that we get more energetic during our playing time, not our studying time. So, it is a good way of relaxation and exercise. It is a form of recreation that helps us to unwind and use your energy. Okay, it is a form of recreation. Recreation means another things. Instead of studying, more things are there to do. Okay, so it helps us to unwind and use your energy. Whatever your energy is there, most of the energy comes out in the ground only. So this helps you to unwind your energy. Clear? There are many forms of recreation like fairs. Fairs means mela. We used to go there. There we can see lots of rides. We can see lots of ride. We go and enjoy that ride also. Circuses is a place where we see the joker doing something, or we see that car moving at very height, or bike moving at very height, or some plays they show us, okay, during circuses. Food fest, during food fest there are different types of food we get to eat. We get to know about different types of food. These are the food we don't know from monthly, but we get to know about them in the food fest, the different types of food and their recipes also. And musical night shows. Musical night shows means there we get to enjoy the music. We love to listen to the people who sing there, okay, but these shows goes at night. So these are all the form of recreation. Instead of doing some work, we just skip on doing these things which recreate our mind, which rejoice our mind, which makes our mind healthy and happy, so that we can get to do our work more focused. Okay, so this is there. See here: fairs, circuses, food fest, musical night show. Clear? Now, nowadays there are also sports camp organized where children can enjoy and learn adventure sports. Okay, there are many things where we can go, and there are many places which provide the rides. These rides: hand gliding, river rafting, scuba diving, zorbing. These types of rides they help. There are facilities that they teaches us these rides, and we can enjoy that and learn that. So that if we go at any place for just for the holidays, and if we see these all rights, we can do it without being afraid of. Yes, so there are many organizations which teaches us these rights. These also are the part of recreation. These places are meeting grounds to make more friends. Okay, these are the places where we can go with our friends, our family also, but with friends we'll enjoy more. Clear, everyone? Now moving on, next page. Come to the next page, page number 70. Games at school. Now we're going to see games at school. Aruna is playing hopscotch stapu with her classmate. They are waiting for their school bus. Okay, this game everyone have played, I think so, with their neighborhood friends also, in school also. Many of you have played. So Aruna is playing this game, and until the bus come, their dispersal have been done, but the bus has not came to take them. So until then they are playing so that they can refresh their mind. Atharv is playing statue with his friend. They are waiting for their father to arrive. Okay, statue game also we play in when we are kids. Now also many people play statue. Okay, we play in the school also. Why he is playing statue game with his brother? Because his father has not arrived to take them. Rajiv and Kamal are playing basketball. See, we have in our school also we have this type of court, a basketball court. So they are also playing basketball. They both are in the school team and are practicing for an inter-school match. Okay, they are in the school team. You have seen your bhaiyas playing these type of games. We have also competition also of this. And when you come out for your games period, you might have seen that most of the students of our school are practicing this game. So like same way, Rajiv and Kamal are also practicing this game for the inter-school match. Okay, there will be a match between two schools, their school also and one more school also. So they are practicing the basketball. Clear? Now moving on, there are many more games and sports that you play throughout the day in school. Okay, you know that there are many sports like what tell me. There are table tennis, basketball, and volleyball was also there, and badminton is there. Okay, football. These all things are there in school. School provides us with different games. You learn to play some of these under the guidance of your PE teacher. Other games that you play are just for the fun. Okay, these are the games like basketball, badminton, TT, and kho and volleyball. These all you can learn under the guidance of your PT teacher. Your PT teacher also teaches you, okay, to learn these games, because these games need some rules and regulations to be followed. This you cannot play for the fun. Yes, basketball, volleyball, these you cannot play for the fun. These need rules and regulation which should be followed strictly. In Kho also there is a rules and regulation. You have played, many of the teachers helps you to play your Kho game, and that also have rules and regulation, requires rules and regulations to be followed. They cannot be played for the fun, because if you play in front of anybody and you don't know the rules and regulation, it will be a bad manner. Yes, you cannot play that for the fun. For the fun you can play just you can play for the fun. What you can play? You can play Ludo, you can play Carom, okay, you can play statue. That doesn't require, but these games requires. Okay, now moving to the next page. Come to the next page. Sometimes participants fight during the game or the audience shout at them. Okay, you have seen when in our school also, when Sahodaya was held, you might have came when participants fight during the game, when they see that something is wrong going on, or for the fun also they start fighting, and then audience also start shouting on them. So most of the people think it is for the fun, but it disturbs the environment. Yes, okay. Often there is a quarrel if the sports equipment is not enough and there are more children to play the same game. Yes, often there are you also have seen, you must also fight if you don't get the equipment. If you don't get the basket, suppose you are playing basketball, okay, you are playing from half an hour and you have not got once the basketball, so you will feel disturbed, you will get angry that why I am not getting. So there are also quarrel if children are more and the equipment are less. The PE teacher act as a referee or umpire in such situation. Okay, our PE teacher act as a referee or umpire. Okay, in basketball also he is the one who gives the chance to us, okay, so that we can enjoy our game. And otherwise, if one gets the ball, he only starts to play and he will play till end, we will not get the chance. But the PE teacher doesn't do that, like that. He helps us to get the chance in that situation. He or she handles the situation and helps the children understand the rules of fair play and sportsmanship. Okay, he teaches us the rules and regulation. I told you, these games, basketball, volleyball, football, kho, these all games requires rules and regulations. So what is the role of the PE teacher? He acts as a referee or umpire, and he helps the child to understand the rules of fair play and sportsmanship. Okay, sportsmanship means we have to not do wrong, or we have to not do the wrong or cheating in the game. We have to play a fair game. Clear? Now, games for both boys and girls. Today, most of the games and sports are played by both boys and girls. Okay, now both boys and girls can play the games, every game. There are many women person in India who play different games. Women sportsmen such as Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, Saina Mirza, and PV Sindhu are famous all over the world. Okay, these all players. Mary Kom, she plays what? Anyone knows? No? Okay, she plays boxing. She is a boxer. Mary Kom is a boxer. Then Sania Nehwal. You know what the Saina Nehwal plays? You have to just find out what does Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza, and PV Sindhu play. And you have to write here in your book, and as a homework you have to write here what she plays. Clear? I have told you of Mary Kom. After these three you have to find out and tell me in the next class. Clear, everyone? Are famous all over the world. Clear, everyone? They all are famous in the world. You might have seen their games also, but you have to tell me next class what these three are famous for. Clear, everyone? Now moving on. Games at home and in neighborhood. You also play games with neighbors and friends that live in your locality. Okay, where you live, you have there also many friends. Okay, you play with them. Chidiya Ud is a simple game which tests mental alertness and decision making skill. Okay, you might have played Chidiya Ud. What type of game is there? We just keep our if we have 5 friends, all 5 sit around in a circle, and we keep our hand like this, and just we start playing we used to say the names of all the animals, all the birds that can fly, and if we suppose are not alert, and if someone says that dog fly, and if we do like this, we get out. So there it is checked that how much alert you are, how much there in your how much you are there in the game. Okay, and the decision making skills also. Clear? If you are alert, you will make right decision. If you are not alert, you will make the wrong decision. And if suppose while playing they say that buffalo flies, and if you do like this, what, it is a wrong decision and you gets out from the play. So it is a game of mental alertness and decision making. Clear everyone? So for today I'll do up to this only. Clear? I hope everyone have understood this you have to find out and write in front of this which what games they play. Clear? I hope you understood the today's session and you enjoyed listening me. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Stay at your home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you everyone.